Hey love, do you feel frustrated that your world is not as creative as you want it to be, either in work or in life? Have you got something inside you that you know just needs to come out, but you're just not sure how to go about bringing it to life? It might be a habit, it might be a new career path, it might be healthier things to bring into your life, ways to eat, ways to move. We all have things that we just don't quite get to, and there's lots of reasons for that. And most often it's not because of the thing, but it's more because of what we think about it. And spending some time to dedicate getting around what exactly you want it to look like, why, how it feels, going through what it is that's keeping you where you are right now, clearing some of those blocks, and starting to make a plan to get past that is exactly what we do in the Jumpstart mini retreat. I usually run these live every couple of months, but they're so transformational that I've decided to share them on the website for you to access at any point in the DIY version. You don't get the live support that the groups normally get when I run these live. However, there's guidance around each of the videos on what to do. You still get the workbook. You can comment underneath each of the posts if you'd like. I jump in every week just to keep a track on what's going on. If you have any questions, you can also contact me as you go through. I am happy to chat to you. And if at the end of it you'd love to work with me one-to-one, then feel free to book a complimentary Spark session to see how that would work for you, because I would love to have you on the full-on Jumpstart that not only goes through all of this mindset clarity and developing your confidence, but then gets into how your subconscious can activate that. This is where the magic happens. We can do all of the conscious stuff that we like, and we need to be clear on where it is that you want to get to in order to do that. But when you take the conscious thinking, action, and then subconscious together and plait them and weave them into this beautiful, sweet life, that's what happens. So I'd love to have you join, subscribe, work through the DIY Jumpstart on your own, the mini version, and then let me know how you get on. I love to hear how people travel through this. Some people get everything they need from day one. Some people do it all quietly. And the reason why I uploaded it actually is because sometimes people go through this quietly, they don't join the conversation. There's some big stuff that comes up, especially around day 3. So these are normally shared every day for 5 days, which is why it's kind of day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. You don't have to you can go through them all in a day if you want. I would suggest that you take the time because, as I say, some big stuff can come up around resistance and why you are where you are. Even on day 1, sometimes it's a bit confronting to realise where you really want to be and are you there or not. Sometimes there is always a celebration within that, but there's also a realisation that you might not be where you want to be in certain areas. So be kind to yourself as you travel through this. Keep note any feelings that are coming up, and travel well. I hope you enjoy it. As I said, do let me know how you get on. I would love to hear from you. Have a sweet day.